Time to invest in yourself? Buy your first property in this lovely contemporary condo located in the Westmount area of Edmonton, near trendy restaurants, the brewery district, boutiques, and shopping, with 9-foot-high ceilings, hardwood, tile, and carpet. It features 1 bedroom and a den with a 4-piece bathroom and in-suite laundry. An open concept floor plan adds to the feel of spacious living, dining, and kitchen area. The kitchen features gray cabinets, trendy hardwood, and backsplash with tile, stainless steel appliances. Other features include central air conditioning, loads of storage, and in-suite laundry. The unit is just under 700 square feet, open concept living, perfect for entertaining, lots of natural light with the southeast facing windows. There is also a barbecue line on the patio and a titled underground parking stall. Another unique feature is a stunning rooftop patio. Overall, this is a great condo, walking distance to many amenities, close to downtown in Grant MacEwan.